Okay, the next small milestone has been met, and that is hanging the mounting bracket that will hold the MPP Solar LV6048 all-in-one inverter charger controller unit in place. So it's a rather heavy unit, and I'll note the exact weight in the description below. And there are 3 requirements that the manufacturer has for mounting it safely. And the first one is that the 4 mounting bolts, there are 2 in the top, 2 in the bottom, so obviously 4 corners, and they're exactly 10 inches center to center. And they need to be mounted in the center of a 2x4. So when the framing was done with the wooden 2x4s, I made sure that 10 inches center to center. So that worked out perfectly. The next thing is clearance. There needs to be 50 centimeters of clearance, which is a little under 20 inches top and also the bottom. So I actually have about 21 inches clearance from the floor to the bottom of the unit. And the top of the unit is just about flush with this metal bracket. So again, 21 inches, just a little, it's 50 centimeters, a little under 20 inches. And the lateral requirement's not too bad. It's 20 centimeters, which is about 8 inches, a little bit less than 8 inches. And there's way more than 8 inches on either side. So there's clearance, there's mounting it into the wood. And the final requirement is that it be mounted on concrete board. And, that's due to, the unit does get warm. It could get hot possibly. And this is a safety mechanism. And again, it's a requirement of the manufacturer. So we've met all 3 of them, and hopefully a durable and safe mount.